Good morning, Miss Nelson's class. Today is Wednesday, May 20th, 2020, 5-20-20. Yay! We're almost there! Right? It's Wednesday. Tomorrow is the last day of school for this week. Remember, we have no school on Friday or Monday. Whoop, whoop. So that means I guess I'll be playing our special music tomorrow. I need to make a note of that. I just realized that instead of Friday. So make sure you guys are getting everything in. I know everyone has been working so hard in catching up on any past due homework and performance tasks. Thank you so much. I know this has been a doozy, right? I don't know how else to describe it, but we're making it through and it is almost done. We see the lights at the end of the tunnel, right? Summertime's almost here and you guys are about to be second graders. So, yay, keep that engine going. You are almost finished. Just some quick announcements before I go over the one pagers. Today there will not be a class check-in at 11:30. I'm at a staff meeting today. So, but I do have my cell phone on me during our staff meeting. So if you send me an email or anything, I'll be able to check it and see it if you have questions or whatnot. Okay. Today is our last friend chit chat at 9 to 9:30. Remember, we're supposed to be wearing our fabulous sunglasses or cool dew sunglasses, and then like a beach hat or anything that you would wear to the beach. Just trying to make it fun. I'm actually, God, I hope it doesn't rain. It looks kind of cloudy over here by Miss Nelson's house, but I'm gonna actually sit outside during our friend chit chat just to make it feel more, beachy because I'm outside, I guess, fresh air. Okay, so don't forget that today again is our last friends chit chat. I have a lot of friends I'm meeting with today. Please show up on time. Please bring paper and pencil. If you know you still have work to make up, because that's what we're doing, making that stuff up as quickly as possible because I have to submit grades on Friday. So let's try to get as much as that done. Okay. I wanted to throw something out. Talking with Ethan the other day during our little, was that yesterday? I guess that was yesterday, like just 24 hours ago. Ethan was telling me some new favorite shows that he's been watching, which kind of lines up perfectly with math since we're talking about money, right? Him and his brother have come to watch the show The Price is Right. Oh my goodness, I love that show as a kid growing up. But you guys might want to check that show out. It's really cool. They bring out items and then you have to guess how much you think it cost. And then they show you the real actual price. And then you get to see, oh man, I was so close. Or wow, I did not know that cost that much. So that's a really fun show if you guys want to check that out. The Price is Right. It is still on TV. And then another one, not a TV show, but maybe a family game, is Monopoly. Practicing using money. If you guys have like a family night, game night, whip out some Monopoly. Practice spending some money and saving money. So just wanted to give those suggestions out there. I hadn't even thought about those. So, okay, real quick with our one pager so you can get going on your wonderful day. ELAR, you are ready to take your performance task if you have done lessons 1 and 2. The ELAR, there is already a book chosen for you. If you look on the last box, just go to that link. You can't see mine because some reason my printer doesn't print out the words of the links. But there is a link for the story for you to use. Make sure you're using your nicest handwriting. This is the last performance task you're turning in to me. So make sure it looks fabulous. Okay, so remember, you're just doing the exact same thing you did with Miss Quijano on Monday and Tuesday. You're talking about chronological order. Things happening in order, not random, right? Okay, so you're ready for your ELAR. Get that done. Send it to me. Science! Yay! I already have some kiddos who have been turning in their science projects, and they're adorable. I can't wait to put them all together on a slideshow and show it to you guys so you can see everyone's hard work. So remember, you're making a presentation of the animal you have chosen. and you can do the animal that you did last week for your performance task. Totally up to you if you want to change your animal. I'd stick with the animal you did all that hard work with last week, but choice is yours. Remember, you're making a presentation that shows us what their habitat is, and make sure that, remember, in the one pager, you've got those check marks right there. Make sure you've got those included in your project, that I know what animal you're using, what is their habitat, and that the habitat matches with that particular habitat. And then that you're showing examples of what kind of food do they eat in that habitat and what kind of shelter do they live in inside that habitat. Okay, so they're so adorable. Get these going, send them to me. I'm loving them, the ones that are coming in so far. So yay! Okay, math, really quick, Mr. Kuhana, Mr. Kuhn, I know, whoo, my brain's gone too, has one more video for you guys to watch, since money is new, talking about money and spending money and saving money and adding money. Has another video for you to do, and then another practice word story, math story, word problem, okay? Get that one done, and then you're ready. Here's your performance task right here, smack in the middle. So if you do this word problem and you're like, let's keep going on, get that math performance task done too, okay? It's right here in the middle. And that is it. Yeah, I think so. All right, well, you guys keep up the really good hard work. It's paying off. You guys are turning in fabulous work. It's making me more sad and more proud that you guys are doing so good, and but it's about to end. But man, you guys are doing fabulous, and you are really letting us see that you are definitely ready for second grade. So very proud of you guys, okay? If you need anything, just let me know. I love you and I miss you, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.